Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food Channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the most authentic Ghanaian Toloo beef Angwamo with Toloo beef straight from Ghana, onions straight from Ghana. It tastes just amazing. So if you are interested, please keep on watching and I'll see you at the end of the video. So let's get started. So I'm going to heat up oil and I decided to use sunflower oil, but please use any oil you like. And then when the oil is hot, I'm going to fry my Toloo beef. So this is Toloo beef that I brought from Ghana, made in Ghana, and it smells amazing. And I decided to leave it as it is, so it's nice and big and chunky. Okay, so fry it, make sure it doesn't burn, and make sure you don't burn yourself either. Okay, next I am going to add in some chopped onions, and again this is onions that I brought from Ghana. I really like the flavor and it smells amazing. Then I also added some chopped pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm also going to add some all-purpose seasoning from the brand Asian. Please check them out on Instagram. They have such amazing seasoning, spices, everything you need. Okay, so now stir it and let it fry for about 5 minutes on a medium heat. Next, I am going to be adding the rice, but this is just a close-up of how it looks like. So this is the perfect color I need to achieve. Now adding your rice, I'm using Thai Homali rice or perfumed rice that I have washed. Sometimes people do not wash it, but you do as you like. Okay, now stir. So I use about 10 small cups of rice because we are 5. So if you are maybe less than 5 people, use less. Okay, and then I am going to add in water, not too much because perfumed rice do not tolerate too much water unless you want your rice to be mushy, and but we don't like it here. We like when it's a bit harder. Okay, so now stir it. And then I'm going to add in some salt. Although the salted beef is salted, but I did wash it and I always like to add some salt to it, but you don't have to. Then I'm going to cover and let it cook for about 15-20 minutes. So guys, here I am. This is the rice. It smells so good in the kitchen. So now I'm going to cover it with some foil. You can use parchment paper or even a clean rubber bag if you have. Yeah, but I usually use foil. Okay, so at this point the rice is almost ready, just a little bit more cooking, so about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, and on a lower heat this time. Hey guys, I am back and I'm going to check on my Angwamo or braised rice. Look at this. This is the perfect rice. Oh my god, just look at that. Now I am going to stir it. I wish you could smell it with me. I mean, Ghanaian Toloo beef has such an amazing flavor. Wow, look at this. And of course I am going to eat it with some fried egg. So let's fry our egg. So I just added some raw pepper sauce that I made a few days ago to my egg. So you can see there is also some tomatoes inside. Yeah, I like my egg to have a little bit more flavor. But you can fry it plain if you want. Okay, so now let's turn it over. Okay, and let's fry it a little bit longer. And that's it. My fried egg is also ready, so I'm just going to fold it like a pancake. And voila, ready. Just have a close-up of my Angwamo. Look at it. Imagine if you could smell it. Oh yes, guys. So this is it. Yeah, it's the end of my recipe. Let's add in our egg, and it looks phenomenal now. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're going to try it. If you do, don't forget to send me pictures, send me messages, share my video, leave me comments, and I'll see you another time for another Mrs. Yuri recipe. And by the way, if you have any suggestions or what I should cook next, please don't hesitate to leave it in the comments or send me messages on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye and take care.